How to pin message on Viber. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can pin Viber messages. For that, you'll have to open your Viber application on your device and make sure you are logged in your account. Once you are logged in, you will reach to this interface. Here from this list, find the person's chat to enter their chat page. And once you enter their chat page, here find the message you want to pin. Once you locate the message you want to pin, tap and hold the message until some options pop up. From the options, you'll find pin option. Click on this pin option and here a dialog box will appear informing you that if you pin this message will appear at the top of the chat. So if you are okay with that, go ahead and tap on this pin button right here and the message will be pinned. You will find the pin message at the top. If in case you want to unpin it, you can simply click on this cross button at the right side. This will remove the pin from your message. Also, if you want to pin the chat, you can tap and hold the chat until some options pop up. From the options, you'll find pin to top. Click on this option and now this chat will be pinned and shown at the top of your chat list. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.